Hello and welcome to the Hornby Magazine workshop for a video featuring the Hornby Class 50 for double O gauge. This new pair of releases arrived in December 2020, and although there are low stocks now available from Hornby's retailer network, we thought it worth showcasing these stunning locomotives here on Top Liddell. They model 50049 Defiance and the dual named 50007 Hercules and 50014 Warspite, so that's 3 locomotives for the price of 2 if you like. These 2 locomotives were painted in GBRf blue in March 2019 for an agreement between the 50 Alliance and GB Railfreight. On the main line, where they're used, they're seen at the head of charter trains as well as being used for stock movements, both new units and also retired vehicles as well. These 2 locomotives have been followed actively by enthusiastic line-side photographers since their return to mainline duties in March 2019. Such is their popularity as well that in model form these 2 models have been very popular too. They were announced in Hornby's 2020 catalogue and are instantly well received. These 2 Class 50s have the same standard specification as previous Class 50 models from Hornby. Now that includes a powerful 5-pole motor with twin flywheels at the centre of the chassis. They've got an 8-pin decoder socket. There's also space for a speaker inside too. You also get directional lighting, that includes both headlights and taillights. Plus you also get a full raft of buffer beam detail parts, opening stroke positionable cab doors and positionable side grills on the models too. There's excellent detail throughout, and we found this pair to be superb performers here on the Hornby Magazine test track. Interestingly as well, 50049 comes with a set of 3-piece miniature snowplows as well, allowing it to replicate the real locomotive in close detail. We've enjoyed putting this pair of new releases through their paces here on the Hornby Magazine test track at the head of a typical charter rake of Mark 1 coaching stock, but there's plenty of other duties you could run them with too. We hope you enjoyed this video from the Hornby Magazine workshop, and don't forget you can read our full review in the latest issue of Hornby Magazine. That's issue 164, our February 2021 issue, which is on sale from January the 7th, 2021. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.